Today we're going to be showing you guys how to install our crossover wear sleeves. This install will cover all makes and models and shock brands. First thing you're going to need to do is slide your wear sleeve over the shock body about 1 to 2 inches away from your desired crossover install measurement. Then loosely fit the 2 halves of the crossover ring. Slide your O-ring on, and then slide the wear sleeve up over the O-ring, ensuring that all of it is beneath the sleeve. Before tightening the 2 halves of the crossovers together, make sure that the threads on the halves of the crossover ring align with the threads on the shock body. This is very important because if you don't clamp down into the threads, your crossover can move, loosen, and potentially slide up the body on a hard hit. Starting with the upper bolts first, snug them up before installing the lowers, and then go in a pattern starting with the left upper, right upper, left lower, right lower, favoring the tension on the upper 2 bolts to ensure that it compresses the sleeve and clamps into the threads. Once installed, make sure that you cannot twist the crossover ring by hand. And if you are unable to move it with your hand, everything should be good.